Hello guys, in this video I will show you the Redotpay card alternative, which is really huge in the trending now. You just type Bybit card. Bybit most popular now platform like Binance. Bybit is like launching a card for itself. So here guys, Bybit card, which is deposit crypto in order to get card with full information worth of that. So here you will have the countries, rest of four and so on. So after login, because my account is logged in the platform itself, so all good. So guys, all what you need to do, which is deposit line here from a card like crypto, and then you will have 2% of cashback. Then you will have the Bybit debit. If you want to know any information about that, just here from that unlock rewards with points. So here the points, the more that you are giving USD deposits and so on, you will get all the cases. So that's it guys. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe.